everyone, Melissa here from Creative Memories Home Office, and today I'm going to show you how to create a card using the Jumbo Jet Border Maker cartridge. We are going to begin by cutting a piece of the navy cardstock to measure 5.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches in length. We are going to fold this piece in half and set aside. Next, we are going to cut a piece of the pink patterned paper to measure 4 inches wide, turning that sideways, and then cutting at 5.25 inches. And then with our remaining piece of pink patterned paper, we're going to cut another piece at 3 5/8 inches by 4 7/8 inches. Next, we are going to cut a piece from the gray patterned paper that measures 5 1/8 inches by 3 7/8 inches. And now we are going to place the gold patterned paper into the original Border Maker system tray. Then we are going to punch a 12-inch border using the Jumbo Jet Border Maker cartridge. We will repeat that step with the red patterned paper and the Jumbo Jet Border Maker cartridge. We will punch one final Jumbo Jet border out of the navy cardstock. First, we are going to adhere the larger piece of the pink patterned paper to the front of the card base. Then we are going to adhere the gray piece of paper to the top of the pink patterned paper. We are going to apply the repositionable adhesive to the back side of the Jumbo Jet border, and then we are going to place that at an angle onto the front piece of the small pink patterned paper. After you have adhered the Jumbo Jet border to the front of the piece of paper, you are going to use the scissors to trim away any excess. We are going to repeat the previous step using the red Jumbo Jet's border, placing it just above the previous navy border. And again, we are going to trim off with the scissors any excess that hangs over the edge of the pink patterned paper. And yet again, we are going to repeat this step with the gold Jumbo Jet border, placing it just above the red Jumbo Jet border. We are going to continue to repeat these steps until you have the entire piece of pink patterned paper covered with Jumbo Jet borders. We are going to adhere this piece to the front of the card on top of the gray patterned paper. Using the Time for Adventure sticker from the Gallivant sticker pack, we are going to adhere it to the front of the card using foam squares. Do you know someone heading off on an adventure? This is the perfect card for them. Maybe somebody going off to college, graduating from high school, or starting a new job. Share your finished projects with us on any of our social channels using #CreativeMemories.